In this video, I'm going to show you how you can make your ideogram images private in a few steps. So if you find the video helpful, don't forget to subscribe and like it. Okay, so this is very easy. For this example, I'm going to generate an image of a dog surfing a wave while eating a banana, for example. And if you want to make this image private, so it doesn't appear right here at the home page and no one else can see it, you just need to click this icon right here to change the visibility, and by default you might have it right here. So you just need to change it to this option and publish. So click right here and now generate this image. So now it should take a few seconds and we got our 4 different variations ready right here. We can watch them on this tab right here, my images. So I can click here and I should find the 4 variations right here. Now whenever we want, we can make these images public to the community. We can also download them or do whatever we want. If you want to make a public image private, there is no option to do that, but what you can do is click the 3 dots and you can delete the image by clicking right here. So just click on confirm and now the image won't be visible for anyone. It's important to know that the private generation is only available for Plus or the Pro plan. So if you are using the free plan, there is no way you can generate private images. So that's it. I hope it was helpful and thanks for watching.